What you doing, Titus?
Make toasting up my biscuits.
Oh yeah,
And then I'm gonna make my omelet.
that'll be
My
cool.
mini omelet. So first, I just put some butter on the pan, swiped it up and down, and then put the bread on. But I'm gonna need a spatula to pull it out.
Let's see the toast.
And you want the toast like golden brown most of the time.
Ooh, that looks golden brown. That's a good job right there, brother.
Check on this one.
What you gonna do next? You gonna work on your egg?
Yep.
All right. You're back with your egg, aren't you, buddy? Oh yeah.
I probably should have did it on the sides. That's okay.
It'll be all right, brother.
Yeah, that's fine.
You doing yours like scrambled or more like a fried egg?
Well, I was gonna do scrambled and I'm running, but right now I'm running out of time. So I'm just gonna put the cheese on. I'm not gonna try to put it all together. Actually, I think I can. I don't have my spatula right now, the spatula that I should be using, so I'm just going to use this one.
Okay, well be careful, because you know that's metal on a non-stick skillet.
Yeah, I know. Not too much cheese though, I'm trying. So,
You put your little cracked pepper on there. You like the fresh pepper, don't you?
Yep. And you can see that some of it's getting brown.
Yeah.
It's looking pretty good.
You like it looking brown, so it looks pretty good.
Well, it's looking pretty good right now. Okay. I'm going to put it on.
You got it, brother.
Turn this off.
That's right. Turn it off.
And over here, you can see it's steaming. If I wanted to, I can put on the vent.
It'll be all right. It's
Yeah,
probably just a little bit of water that was left on the pan from getting washed.
Yeah, it's okay. So, gotta get my sausage.
All right.
Okay, I heated my sausages up in the microwave. Now I'm gonna put them on the pan to give them some nice toast.
So that's a nice little technique you learned in it, Titus.
Yep.
You take the sausages and defrost them in the microwave because they were frozen, right? And then now you're gonna crisp them up for a little added texture and flavor in the pan.
Yep. Take a second. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna go get my cheese because I know I'm gonna put some cheese on top.
Oh, you're gonna put some sliced cheese on top.
Oh yeah.
So you got cheese in your eggs, and you're gonna put sliced cheese on top.
And then I think I'm gonna melt it a little in the microwave. Maybe. It might just melt itself.
It might melt itself. Your eggs. All right, now you're getting ready to put your sandwich together.
Okay, I'm gonna take my
That's okay.
sausages.
That's just Ezra singing in the background.
I'm putting them on. Turn this off. Yeah, it's already off. I was just using the heat that was left.
Yeah, that was good, Titus. You just used the heat that was left instead of turning it on again. That was enough to brown up the sausage, wasn't it?
And these sausages is gonna heat up the cheese some.
That's right. You're gonna make.
Just to make sure, I'm gonna heat it up a tiny bit.
You're gonna heat it up a tiny bit because you want that cheese melted all the way, don't you?
Oh yeah. I'm not making breakfast. I mean, yeah. I'm making this breakfast and it's gonna be great. Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at that.
Ezzy, come here.
Wait. Okay. Now. What?
Ooh, yeah. It's looking good, Titus. Good job, brother.
Yep.